the vehicle using a jack lift. And make sure you put it in correct lifting points. Continue to loosen screw until it's done and remove the flat tire. Get the spare tire to the trunk and install. Then install the nut one by one in correct order. Tighten the nut in correct sequence based on standard procedure. For safety and secure, make sure you go to nearest vulcanizing shop and safely ensure the tightening of the nut and repair the flat tire. Don't forget to double check it before you proceed in driving a vehicle. You can learn this here at TWSP Tesda.